In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to faithfully restore old photos with Gemini AI. If you've got an old, faded picture that means a lot to you, this process will help bring it back to life while preserving its original character. We'll keep things simple and focused so you get a clean, authentic restoration without over-editing. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go on the web or in the app. If you're using a browser, an up-to-date version helps everything run smoothly. This step ensures you have access to image uploads and the latest model features. Keep your original photo file handy so you can upload it quickly. Next, click the plus icon. This is where you start a new prompt session. Think of it as opening a fresh workspace dedicated to your photo restoration. You'll see options to interact with the model, and this is where you'll move from a blank canvas to a guided restoration. Now upload your image once done. You can drag and drop the file or select it from your device. For the best results, choose the highest quality scan you have. PNG or a high-resolution JPG is ideal. A clear, uncropped image gives the model more detail to work with, helping it handle tricky areas like faces, textures, and edges. If your photo was scanned, aim for a sharp, well-lit scan with minimal glare. Don't worry if there are scratches or discoloration. That's exactly what we're about to fix. After the image appears in your workspace, enter your prompt. Use this precise wording for a balanced, faithful result. Restore this old, faded photo to its original quality. Repair scratches, improve color balance, and sharpen facial details while keeping it faithful to the original. This prompt tells Gemini to enhance without inventing details or changing the photo's look and feel. It prioritizes repairing damage, restoring color, and improving clarity while respecting the image's authenticity. Then, wait patiently until it generates results from your prompt. Processing time can vary based on image size and complexity, so give it a moment to work. You'll see the restored version appear when it's ready. Avoid clicking away or refreshing during this stage to prevent interruptions. If the photo is very old or heavily damaged, it might take a little longer, which is normal. That's it. By opening your Gemini account, clicking the plus icon, uploading your image, entering the restoration prompt, and waiting for the result, you've set up a faithful, high-quality photo restoration with minimal fuss.